Hello student, today we will learn chapter 16 garbage in garbage out. So student, in this chapter we will learn about garbage and how to reuse some garbage and how to compost some garbage. So student, we throw out so much rubbish or garbage every day from our homes, schools, shops and office. The grains, pulses, biscuits, milk or oil purchased in shops are packed in plastic bags or tins. And all these warping materials go out as garbage. So we sometimes buy things that are rarely used and often throw into the garbage. We generate so much garbage in our day-to-day activities, and often we throw groundnut shells on public place, in buses or trains. After eating the nuts, we throw away the tickets when we get off a bus. A child might go on sharpening pencil just for fun. If we make mistakes or spills ink on our notebook, we tear off the sheet and throw it away. And we also throw many domestic waste such as broken toys, old clothes, shoes and slippers. So what if the garbage is not removed from our home and surrounding? How do you think this will harm us? When Safai Karmachari take the garbage from the bins, where does the garbage go and what happened to it? So is it possible for all this garbage to be changed into something that will not harm us? Can we contribute toward in this way anyway? We will look for answer to this question in this chapter. So student, now we will start our main portion of the chapter. So student, first, children from Paheli and Buzo school did a project called Dealing with Garbage. So we will learn about some of the things they learned through this project. So first of all, project of Paheli and Buzo, the title is Dealing with Garbage. Safai Karmachari collect the garbage in trucks and take it to a low-lying open area called landfill. So student, remember that what is landfill? Sometimes we see many places there are big use garbage. We will see. Safai Karmachari collect the garbage in the trucks and take it to a low-lying open area and is called landfill. There a part of the garbage that can be reused is separated out from the one that can be used as such. So student, at landfill area, some garbage are reused and some are not reused and some is composed. So Safai Karmachari separate all the garbage. Thus the garbage has both useful and non-useful component. The non-useful component is separated out and it is then spread over the landfill and then covered with a layer of soil. Once the landfill is completely full, it is usually converted into a park or a playground. So student, the non-useful garbage is spread over a landfill and then covered with a layer of sand. And after some time, where landfill is completely full, so it is usually converted into a park or playground area. For the next 20 years or so, no buildings is constructed on it. To deal with some of the useful components of garbage, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. And what is compost? So let us learn about it from the following activity. So now activity 1 is about compost. So for that, student, collect the garbage from your house before it is thrown into the dustbin. And after that, separate it into two groups so that they have group number 1, garbage from kitchen. So student, member of group 1 are collected kitchen garbage, and in which like fruit and vegetable peels, eggshells, waste food, tea leaves, include newspapers, dry leaves and paper bags in this group. Now the member of group 2 collect piece of cloth, polythene bags, broken glass, aluminum wrappers, nails, old shoes and broken toys. Now divide the content of each group into two separate heaps. Label them as A, B, C and D. Put one heap from group 1 and one heap from group 2 into two separate plastic bags. So student, you can see that in image, first two boys are one in a plastic bag. Tie the mouth of these two bags tightly. Put all the four heaps in separate pits and cover them with soil. Now you can also use 4 pots to bury these garbage heaps. Remove the soil after 4 days and observe the changes in the garbage. A black colored and no fuel smell indicate that rotting of garbage is complete. Put the heaps again in the pits and cover with the soil. Observe again after every 2 days and note your observation as suggested. So student, here is some suggestion how to observe the garbage. So first, root completely and not smell. Observe them. Second, root only partially. Third, root almost completely but still smell bad. Not change at all. So garbage in which heap was seen to root and which did not. So enter option 1 to 4 in the column of the table based on your observation. If you make any other observation, do not forget to write all this down in your notebook. Do not remove and burn the garbage that did not root. So first student, here you can see that in table, first column is about garbage heap. So we prepare 4 heap. After 4 days, what do you observe? So write down. Next after 6 days, next after 2 weeks and next after 4 weeks. So student, observe all the pits, all the heaps for about 4 weeks. If the garbage was found to root completely and did not smell, so mix it in the soil where you show your favorite plants. This would provide nutrients to the plants. So student, root garbage was completely composed and they have not any smell. So mix it with soil and put it in a plant which are your favorite plant, and this provide a nutrients to plant. So you must have observed from this activity that some things in the garbage root, they from manure which is used for the plant. The rooting and conversion of some materials into manure is called composting. So student, manure, it means natural. It's a natural manure, fertilizers. And it have no any chemicals. It have only natural products. So the rooting and conversion of some material into manure is called composting. In some cities and towns, municipalities provide separate dustbins for collecting two kinds of garbage. Usually one is colored blue and the other is green. So the blue tin is for materials that can be used again, such as plastic materials, metals and glass. And did you notice that these are the materials that do not root into the garbage heaps? So student, if we talk about our city, so municipalities provided two bins, one blue and one green. So blue is for dry garbage and another is for water garbage. So the green bin are for collecting kitchen and other plant or animal waste. Do you have noticed that this type of waste root completely when buried in the soil? So do you see why it is necessary for us to separate waste into two groups as we did in activity 1 before we threw it? So student, if we separate both the garbage, so it is very easy for us and also easy for Safai Karmachari. So as we done, it is in activity 1. Have you noticed the garbage heaps of dried leaves on the roadsides? Most of the time these are burnt. Farmers too often burn the husk, dried leaves and part of crop plants in their fields after harvesting. So burning of these produce smoke and gases so that are harmful to our health. Student, we know that, and sometimes we see that farmers and other peoples are burnt some dry garbage and it produce dangerous smoke and dangerous gases and which are harmful for us. So burning of these produce smoke and gases that are harmful to our health. We should try to stop such a practice. This waste could be converted into useful compost. So students, do not burn this type of waste and try to composting them. So it is very useful for plants and it is converting into manure. So this process is very easy. Here are some of the observation and thoughts noted by Paheli and Buzo from their project dealing with garbage. So student, first note that really Smiley. So she must have meant illegal. She wanted that the government should make a law against the burning of leaves and other plant waste anywhere in India. So after composting, there are many process for many process for garbage, how to composting them, how to reuse them and how to burn them. So in the next section, we will learn about them. Thank you.